Hello friends. In today's world is all data-driven world, or in case we can say data-driven economy. All the individuals or organizations are primarily leveraging the data for their profit and therefore their success. Uh, so it is necessary that we understand the importance of data science in today's context. So the three key benefits that I would love to share with you. Number one, uh, better decision makings. When you have a digital data, you can understand the behaviors of a particular customers, for example in retail sector or any other sectors, what kind of customer background is, profile, demographic informations, or his purchase behaviors, or his earnings, and so on and so forth, so that you as an organization can effectively market that particular customers for your better benefit, right? So that is just one example how decision making happens in terms of market. So that decision making is definitely comes when you have enough data and you understand the importance of data and how you are able to bring the insights out of that data, right? So that is what the decision making is, one of the key benefit. Now second is operational efficiencies. When you start implementing some of the automation stuff using your data that you have, for example, you bring the data from different source systems in your operational activities, but using data science and machine learning, you are able to automate that stuffs and able to bring the overall efficiency in your organizations. For example, school admission, you want to understand the next future prediction of your uh, schools in terms of overall the students that uh, that may join, right? So you have historical data and you can predict it based on the historical data's pattern, and therefore that entire process is automated. Your management of the schools can automatically understand what will be the next future volume of uh, students and how overall profitability looks like as you go along, right? So operational efficiencies is one of the key factor that people leverage data. Third, overall, basically the strategy buildings, right? Today, as I said earlier, when I as a organization want to do some marketing strategy, which are the customers, which are the products, what is the industry trends, and so on and so forth, in order to build a marketing strategy to target the right customer at the right time, right? So that require data. So overall uh, marketing strategy that you can build, if you can, even in the political strategy in today's context, uh, you can build based on the demography of the uh, citizens and so on and so forth. So overall data driven decision makings, second operational efficiencies, and third overall profitability and overall performance insight that you can bring, right? Now how can you become a data scientist? Of course you have to understand the basic understanding of data, and then you can start analyzing it yourself to bring some insights. So more important thing is to identify the KPIs, which is the KPI is nothing but key performance indicators that you want to derive for your organizational growth or your for-year growth. And once you identify the KPI, nothing, when I say KPI, it is just nothing. For example, in case of customer, you want to target certain customers. You want to understand what is the age group of that customer that he or she wanted potentially can be targeted to sell your product, right? That is one of the KPI. For example, what is the earnings that each of the customers have, or potential customer have in this particular area, so that you can keep the product accordingly in your retail stores. So understanding the KPI, and accordingly based on that KPI, what data sources that you required, probably that should be your next step, right? So and then start analyzing it and try to join some courses, and then probably uh, do some projects, build networks, and so on and so forth, right? Eventually your interest and your uh, uh, engagement in some or the other way towards that data will definitely help you to become a data scientist. This is my thought. Let me know what you think. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.